All right, everybody, welcome back to OctoClean Media, and today we're going to cover a common problem that most janitorial companies have. You walk into a bathroom looks clean, but it smells like urine. How do I get this urine smell out? Let's look at what you guys usually use to try to combat this. Well, first of all, people will probably use just a neutral cleaner, degreasers, whatever. That's going to do nothing for your urine smell. So your urine smells because it's a pathogen, right? It's a harmful pathogen, and that's why you're smelling that smell. The germs are eating it, so to speak. So how do I get rid of the smell? We want to get rid of the pathogen. So let's look at some of the things that we've been sold to get rid of them. The first one, this is an enzyme. So we've all seen the commercials where your dog pees on the carpet and you spray it and it gets rid of the smell. So this is a non-harmful pathogen, right? So this is a living organism. Now, this may work. It may take a month, 6 months, whatever, but let's be honest, your customer gets tired and they're like, I need it gone today. So then your next go-to is, I'm gonna throw some bleach on top of this enzyme. Well, what does that do? It kills the enzyme, and then it does what bleach does. It oxidizes, it pulls things out, it ruins your grout, it makes your restroom smell like bleach, you can't control it. So you're like, this doesn't work, what do I need to do? Well, maybe we need to get a deep clean in the bathroom, right? No, your solution is twofold. I'll see people, this is a disinfectant, right? Well, I'm gonna spray a disinfectant on the ground. This didn't get it out, Greg, what do I need to do? Well, there's something called contact or dwell time. That's why you're smelling the smells you smell. You're not killing the pathogens that are creating the smell, so you continue to smell urine. So how do we solve that problem? This is a neutral quaternary ammonia disinfectant. Very simple. Hospitals around the world use the same formulation. So how do I apply it? Well, this is, as you can see, is dilution control, which is the best method to do that. I'm gonna fill it up into a mop bucket with a clean mop head. And remember, I had contact time or dwell time. That's how much time a surface has to stay wet to kill all of the pathogens, germs, whatever you want to say, to make sure that whatever's there is dead. So first of all, I would clean, right? This bathroom is clean, but I'm still smelling a urine smell. So why don't you come take a walk with me and I'll show you what that looks like. So if you see here, this is a urine stain from people missing the urinal. You have a same stain if you'd like to come walk in here when people miss the toilet. These get worse in areas like mechanics bathrooms when there's a lot of people coming in and out, venues, let's say concert venues, restaurants, bars. So how do we get rid of that? A lot of people say, oh, I'm gonna sell you this enzyme or I'm gonna sell you a bleach or whatever to get rid of it. That's not how we do it. This is how you do it. So if you look at our bucket, we've got our neutral disinfectant, quaternary base disinfectant right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flood the floor. It's gonna stay wet enough for 10 minutes. If it can't stay wet for 10 minutes, I need to reapply so it will stay wet for 10 minutes. So how is that done? Very simply. I'm not gonna wring out my mop. I'm gonna wet the entire floor. I will come over to where my urinal is at. And for me, I always do this to the entire restroom because sometimes you're chasing an odor. Maybe a little kid came here and decided it was, best to use the corner instead of the toilet, and that's why you're chasing that smell. Now you notice this is pretty wet. If you look at my foot, it's wet enough that I can splash in it, but it's not wet enough that it's getting my shoe completely dirty. So I would do the entire restroom. Now what do? I grab a timer, I grab my watch, I set it for 10 minutes, and either I go back and go clean the rest of the building, parts of the building, and then I come back in that 10 minutes. If I'm afraid that it's gonna dry, I'll sit here and I'll watch it. And then I'm gonna mop it up, just like I would mop it up any other way. I'm gonna use the same bucket with the same disinfectant, and I'm gonna mop up whatever's left on the floor that hasn't dried in 10 minutes. After that, you should smell nothing. If you do smell something, go ahead and do it again. I've had buildings where it's a concert venue and they've been dealing with a urine smell for years. We do this once, twice, doesn't ever smell again. So if you want to learn how to get rid of urine smell in your restroom, this is the right way to do it. So let's take a recap. While a lot of people believe that this is disinfectant, if you've noticed, the floor is really, really wet. For me to spray enough to keep it wet and keep it submerged, that pathogen submerged, I'd have to pour this out. So this is not a viable solution when it comes to your flooring. Inside and out of toilets and urinals, that's great. For your flooring, not so great. And this is also acid, where this is neutral. So neutral, as we know, is non-harmful. So it's the same as neutral pH of water. Now, of course, there's a pesticide, if you think about it, with disinfectant in this water, but it needs to stay wet long enough to reach that 10-minute dwell time. So while this would work if you flooded the entire floor, there's dangers with this. It's an acid, it's not going to be very good on grout and things like that. It can be harmful, and it's more costly than this. So let's dispel again. Bleach is an oxidizer. Not a cleaning agent, it's an oxidizer. Does it disinfect? Yes. It will kill anything and everything, but it will also kill the surfaces you're putting it on. It'll smell like bleach. So this is a way, sorry. So bleach is something that you do not want to use on your flooring. And the last thing here we talked about was our enzyme. So our enzyme is a living pathogen, right? So it is a pathogen that will not hurt you. It's made to eat the odors, the other pathogens, but this would take a long time to actually work. This could take days or weeks of daily application. Customers don't want to wait that long. You want it gone? The right way is your neutral quaternary ammonia disinfectant, dilute it properly, and let it dwell. All right, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn more, if you want to learn why disinfectants work, why they're usually the solution to most of your janitorial problems, go ahead and join us on OctoClean Media, and thank you for watching.